scrolling. Have you been earning on Glowlive and you don't know how to withdraw from it? A lot of people have lost their money because they don't know how to withdraw the perfect way. Calm down. In this video, I'm going to show you a very simple and easy way to withdraw your money from Glowlive. Pay rapt attention to this video so that you don't make mistake that some others have done and they lost their money. So join me as I show you step by step on how to withdraw on this Glowlive app. So guys, let's go. Once you open your app, click on your profile. Once you click on your profile, then you click on your wallet. It will bring you to this side. You click on points. As you seen, I'm having 2 million plus now. So the minimum withdrawal you can withdraw on this app is from 1 million. So I'm going to click on withdraw. Once I click on withdraw, are you seeing it? 1 million point is $10, 2 million point $20, 3 million point $30, and so on and so forth. So if you want to withdraw large amount, you click on large amount from 50 million points. So it's a small amount I'm going to withdraw now. So I click on withdrawal method. I click on select. Are you seeing it? There is Epay, there is USDT, and there is Binance for this country that I am living. Okay. So if you're from Nigeria, you will see your own. Here you see Nigeria. Yes, I'm going to click on USDT to select country. Yeah, because Nigerian own is already added there to select country. Are you seeing the countries that are available? Brazil, United States, Ghana, Kenya, Philippines, Uganda, and Myanmar, Benin, and Nigeria. So I'm going to choose Nigeria. Yeah, I want to use my local bank and withdraw. So if to say I want to use my USDT and withdraw, I will leave it like that and use my USDT. But I want to withdraw with my Nigerian account. So I click on my Nigerian account on Nigeria. Are you seeing it? Opay and PalmPay. So I'm going to click on my Opay because that is what I want to use. Okay. I click on confirm. Then they'll ask me to put my account name and my account number. So let me put my account name. Okay. Apollos Selling Jonwa. Then my account number. I paste it. I click on confirm. Okay. Oh my god. No, cancel because it's not what I want to withdraw. I want to withdraw $20. So I click on $20. If your own is $10, you leave it on $10. So I want to withdraw $20. So I put it there and click on confirm. My account information is already here. I click on confirm. So this is how much I'm going to receive. $19.60. That is 25,480 naira. So the handling fee is 40k coin. All right. So let me screenshot this for reference. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and click on confirm. Once you check your information is correct, there is no mistake, then you go ahead and click confirm. So my phone number is here, my name is here. I'm going to go ahead and click on confirm. Withdrawal application successful. Withdrawal application successful. Confirm. Yeah, I've withdrawn my $20 right now. So I click on here. It's pending because they said 24 hours, right? But it might not reach up to that. Yeah, and I'll receive my money. All right. So when I click on here, it's showing pending for now. Okay, showing pending for now. So they say before 24 hours now I will receive it. So yeah, that's it. Okay, I click on coin. Let me go back to the message they sent to me right now. Yeah, your withdrawal request is being processed. Please wait for the counterparty. So I'm going to wait for the payroller to pay me right now. So guys, in less than 5 minutes I received message that my withdrawal request has been paid. order $20. The order will be automatically completed in 2 hours. I should please check and confirm. So let's go to my Opay wallet and check if it has entered or not. Allah, guys, are you seeing it? Transfer from Ephraim Opaleke, 25,480. And this is exactly how much the app say that I will receive. And that is what I received. 25,480. That is what I paid today. Yeah, because dollar rate is has reduced. So guys, can you see it? So if you're not working on Glowlive, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go to my comment section or my description right now, click the link there and download the app and start working on Glow Life. Yeah, start working. It they play the show. Okay, are you seeing it? They are waiting for me to confirm. So let me confirm it because I've seen it in my wallet. All right. Yeah, it's confirmed. Yeah, because I've seen it. This is the transaction received 25,480. Transfer successful. Oh my god! Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, turn on your notification. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for because this channel it a hot. I bring updates bomber to bomber. Disclaimer: this video is just for educational purpose, so make sure that you make your own inquiry before joining any app. Earnings may vary, so you have to bear that in mind. Bye bye, guys. Thank you to all my wonderful subscribers. I love you all.